All right, guys, we're going to flush and fill the engine coolant on WR250R. This will also apply to the WR250X. You do have a little screw here that holds the radiator cap on. So you're going to have to run that out so that you can get the radiator cap off. For the time being, I'm just going to leave it there loose. To flush the coolant out of the engine, we're going to crack open the thermostat housing here. And you only have to crack open this one bolt here. Okay, it's effectively drained. Okay, there it is. Drained and refilled. Now, typically, if you want to drain the whole system, you would go over here to the overflow tank. You would pull it out, dump it out, and do the same for it. But in this instance, there's so little in it, I'm just not going to worry about it, because if you do this often enough, then it just really doesn't matter. So, I mean, you know, every 3 to 5 years, you need to go ahead and do this just so that your antifreeze doesn't get corrosive and go ahead and start eating up the aluminum in your radiator and your engine. So I'm just going to leave that, not worry about it, but I do need to top it off a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up to that top mark right there. Don't forget to retighten your little screw here. Keep your radiator cap from coming off. It's not very tight at all, just 2-finger tight. At this point, go ride your bike around, let it get good and warm, and then let it completely cycle back to cool. Then come over here and top up your overflow tank to in between the two lines there. We got the WR all fixed up, maintenance complete, ready to get back on the road/trail. You got something out of this video, be sure to like